Class 9. It is my sixth video of lesson 3 from history, Nazism and rise of Hitler. In my previous video, I have discussed with you that the Nazism was established by Hitler under the racial hierarchy, where the various races were placed according to their ability, and in this way we find that in racial hierarchy the Nordic German Aryans were placed on top and the Jews were placed in bottom and others were placed in mid. It was very essential to maintain the racial hierarchy in Nazism. That is why whatever systems were brought by Hitler in Germany, these all systems were running under this ideology of the racial hierarchy. Hitler told that if we want to maintain the Nazism in Germany, we should start this from the youth of Germany. That is why you may see I have written here the next topic, youth in Nazi Germany. Hitler told that the future of Germany or the future of Nazism will be maintained by the education of youth in Germany. Hitler told that it is very essential to maintain the youth from outside and inside. And Hitler told that if we want to maintain youth or if we want to educate youth of Germany according to Nazism, it should be started from the schools of Germany. That is why here we find a very important topic related to Hitler's Nazism, that is the Nazi schooling. It was a type of new policy of school which was brought by Hitler in Germany. According to this particular view, first of all, Hitler told that all schools of Germany should be cleansed and purified. That is why, to maintain the racial purification, all the schools were cleansed and purified. And the teachers, those who were in these schools, it was told that the teachers will teach only and only the views and systems of Nazism to the children. And the teacher will also maintain the racial hierarchy in the school, and they should be related from the Nordic German Aryans. If they will not maintain this rules and regulation in school, they will be dismissed from the school. Now, the children, earlier those who were in school, earlier the Jews and other colored people were also in school with the Nordic Aryans. But now there was a new system, and according to this system it was told that Jews and Nordic Aryan and other children will be segregated or separated. The Nordic Aryan will not be in school with the Jews and other colored people or children. And it was only and only to maintain a type of racial purification. After then, it was also brought that whatever textbooks were published earlier, now it was told that all the textbook were or will be rewritten, and it was told that this particular textbook only and only will give the education related to the Nazism to the children. And it was also brought that the children were taught that they will be loyal towards the Hitler, and they will worship Hitler as a god, and they will hate Jews in Germany. Means from the beginning the children were taught that they have to maintain a type of distance from the Jews, and they have to maintain a type of racial hierarchy in Germany under the Nazism. And one more thing, it was also told that it is very essential that the boys will be given, or the boys in sport will go through the boxing, why? Because such type of sport will make them what? Strong, steel-hearted and masculine. These all, ideas and views were adopted in Nazi schooling. My dear student, the Nazi schooling was only and only to bring a type of views of Nazism in Germany. And after then, various youth organizations were also established under the Nazism by Hitler. Now you can see the important youth organization in Germany. The first was Jungbock. Jungbock was a youth group of or for children, especially the children who got the age of 10 years. They will go to the Jungbock, and from the beginning they will get the idea or the views of the Nazism. And when the children will get the age of 14 years, they will go to the next youth organization, that is the Hitler Youth. It was a type of organization where the training was given to the children. What type of training? The training of Nazism, the training of aggression, the training of war, and it was also told that they should hate the Jews. And when they will get the age of 18, they should do some labor work, and after the age of 18, they should join the armed force of Germany. For what? To maintain the safety of Germany. And that is why it was very essential that from the beginning it was told that the children of Germany will be educated in such a manner that they will maintain the idea of Nazism. After then I am coming the next point, that is the Nazi cult of motherhood. In this video I will give only introduction of this particular topic. I will continue this particular topic in the next video. So it was told that there is no equality between men and women. Student, you know very well that in all over world where the democracy is established, there we find a type of discussion how to get equal status between men and women. But in Nazism there was no meaning of equality. They told that women were different from men. There is no equality, no voting right, and it was told that the work of men and women both is different. As I told that what was the work of boys? They will be very aggressive, masculine and steel-hearted. And that is why from the schooling to the youth organization, it was given importance that the youth or the boys will be trained or will be educated in such a manner that they will be very aggressive, masculine and steel hearted, so that they can keep or they can maintain the safety of the Germany. And it was also told that what is the work of or what was the work of girls? They will be good mother in future, and they will only look after the home, and they will maintain the purity of race. Maintain the purity of race means they will rear or they will give birth only and only the Nordic German Aryans, and they will maintain a type of distance from Jews and others. So here we find the work of men and women both was differ. Men were given the different type of ideology, and the women were given a different type of ideology, it's Nazism. But what was the main issue? The main issue was that with this they will only and only maintain the idea, maintain the ideology, and maintain the system and views of Nazism of Hitler in Germany. My dear student, you may see that whatever I have discussed in this video, from Nazi schooling or from youth organization, you can understand these all things were related, that how to maintain the Nazi view of Hitler in Germany. And it was started from the youths, from the outside. These all things were given to the youth of Germany, and from the inside also. It was also, or there was also a type of system which was taken, and it was responsibility was given to the mother of the, or to the girls and mother of the Germany. So with this particular view, or in this system, we find it was a type of system of Nazis established by Hitler in Germany. So according to this particular discussion, I will ask two questions to you with these two particular topics, Nazi schooling and from the youth organization. First question which I am going to ask to you, explain the education policy of Hitler. In this particular education policy of Hitler, you have to write about the Nazi schooling. Point wise which I have written, you have to explain it in your note copy. The second question which I have asked to you, explain the role of youth in Nazi Germany. In this particular question, you have to write answer about the role of youth in Nazi Germany, especially this in the view of or in the light of these all youth organizations. My dear student, you have to write answer of these two questions in your note copy, and I will continue this Nazi cult of motherhood in my next video, and I hope that you understood this particular topic. Thank you very much.